classifying products.
What is a product? We need to define the product. A product is anything that can be offered to the customers to satisfy needs or wants. In the question of product classification, marketers classify products based on three variables. And these three variables are durability, tangibility, and use. Considering the durability and tangibility, products can be divided into three types: non-durable goods, durable goods, and services. Now, the initiative is to define non-durable goods. Non-durable goods are tangible goods which are purchased frequently by the customers. Examples are rice, shampoo, potato crackers. What is the meaning of durable goods? Tangible goods that normally survive many uses are called durable goods. Examples are clothing, television, refrigerator. Defining services. Services are intangible, inseparable, variable, and perishable products. Legal advice, yogurts, repairing, etc. are the examples of different kinds of services. Depending on the use, goods can be divided into two types: consumer goods and industrial goods. Classifying consumer goods. On the basis of shopping habits, consumer goods have four types: convenience goods, shopping goods, specialty goods, and unsold goods. Defining convenience goods. Goods which are purchased frequently, immediately, and with minimal efforts are called convenience goods. Fruits, vegetables, soft drinks are the examples of convenience goods. What is shopping goods? Different kinds of the home appliances, furniture, all are the examples of shopping goods. Shopping goods are those the consumer characteristically compares on such basis as suitability, quality, price, and style. Meaning of specialty goods. Specialty goods have unique characteristics or a brand identification for which enough customers are willing to make a special buying effort. As an example, Mercedes car is a specialty goods. Unsold goods. Unsold goods are those the consumer does not know about or does not normally think of buying. Life insurance is the example of unsold goods.
Subscribe the channel.
Industrial goods classification. Industrial goods are classified into three types: materials and parts, capital items, and lastly supplies and business services.